you know that startups are exempted from paying tax for 3 consecutive years? Startups need to apply on the Startup India website to claim this exemption. Keep watching this video to know how to apply for tax exemption and if your startup is eligible for such an exemption. Hi everyone, I am Pratna from Clio, where we serve more than 4 lakh growing businesses. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload a video. By the way, I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. Yes, we have a free gift for you. It is an annual compliance calendar for businesses that will help you stay 100% compliant without any stress. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form provided in the description box below. A startup recognized by the DIPP, that is Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, can claim tax exemption for 3 consecutive financial years under Section 80 IAC of the Income Tax Act 1961. The startups need to apply on the Startup India website to claim this tax exemption and get clearance to avail such exemption. Once the startups get clearance, they can avail of tax holiday for 3 consecutive financial years out of its first 10 years since incorporation. For example, if the gross profit of your startup is rupees 50 lakh for the financial year 21-22, then you have to pay a tax of 30% on the gross profit, that is 15 lakhs. If you apply for the tax exemption under Section 80 IAC on the Startup India website, you get a tax exemption of 15 lakhs starting from the financial year 21-22 till the financial year 23-24, that is for 3 consecutive years. However, if your startup is incorporated in the year 2020, you can claim the tax holiday of 3 years within 2030, that is 10 years of incorporation. The startups eligible for applying to the income tax exemption under Section 80 IAC are: the startup should be recognized as startup by DIPP. Only the startup established as a private limited company or a limited liability partnership is eligible for tax exemption. The startup should be incorporated after 1st April 2016. The startup can claim tax exemption only within the first 10 years of its incorporation. Are the startups eligible to claim tax exemption making sense? If it is, write startup in the comment section below. Do let us know what topics you would like us to cover in our future videos as well. Our expert will show you how a startup can apply to claim tax exemption for 3 consecutive years on the Startup India website.
Visit the Startup India website, that is startupindia.gov.in. Scroll down the home page and click on the income tax exemption option. A new page will open. On this new page, click on the first option, that is startup recognition and tax exemption. If your startup is not recognized by the DIPP, then under the first heading, that is startup recognition, click the first option, that is click here for submitting your application for recognition as a startup and apply to get DIPP recognition. Once a startup gets DIPP recognition, scroll down on the page to the second heading, that is Startup India 80 IAC tax exemption, and click on the first option, that is apply for income tax exemption under Section 80 IAC of the Income Tax Act. Enter your email ID and password. The Form 80 IAC will open. On the Form 80 IAC, enter the name of your startup, date of incorporation or registration of your startup, incorporation or registration number, address, business location. Select the nature of your business, that is private limited company, limited liability partnership or registered partnership. Enter the DIPP number. Scroll down. Enter the contact details of startup, that is phone number, email address and permanent account number of your startup. Upload the memorandum of association if your startup is a company or the LLP deed if your startup is a LLP here. Scroll down. If your company has passed any board resolutions, you can upload it here. Upload the annual accounts of your startup, that is the balance sheet and the trading and profit and loss account for the past 3 years, Or if your startup is new, then you can upload it from the year of incorporation. Upload the income tax returns, and then you need to upload a video. The guidelines to make a video is found here. You can click on this option, Form 80 IAC Video Guidelines, where you can go to the guidelines and make a video showcasing the products or services of your startup. If your startup is product or service based startup, then make a video showcasing a demonstration, prototype or walkthrough of the product or software products. If your startup provides software or technology services such as website development, application development, developing white label software product for clients, then showcase a demonstration or prototype or walkthrough of the products. Also, showcase the market traction that your product or service has generated through either online customer reviews, client testimonials, or any other similar appreciation or feedback received. After making the video, upload the video link here. Next, you need to upload the pitch deck of your startup. You can view the guidelines for making the pitch deck by clicking on the Form 80 IAC Pitch Deck Guidelines. Go to the guidelines and make the pitch deck in a PDF format. Upload the PDF format of your pitch deck here. Scroll down. If there are any details of certificate granted under Section 56 of the Income Tax Act, if any, then enter the details here. Tick this box which certifies that the above information furnished by you is correct and true. Scroll down. Enter the name of the authorized signatory, that is, the person who is authorized to fill this form on behalf of the startup. Enter the designation of the authorized signatory, the place, the date, and click on the submit button.
Once the Form 80 IAC is submitted on the Startup India website, you will receive the clearance for tax exemption from Startup India and can claim a tax holiday of 3 consecutive years for your startup. Get your startup recognized by the DIPP to claim tax exemption of 3 years by availing our advisory on Startup India registration service from the link given in the description box below. Experts at Clear will assist you in preparing and improving your startup pitch and submitting application for DIPP recognition of your startup. Don't forget to claim your giveaway by subscribing to our channel and clicking on the link given in the description box below. Stay tuned to know more about running your own business and business related ideas. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.